Done everyone? Definition done? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the syntax of the constructor. Class name and statement. This is the syntax of the constructor. Class name. What are the class name that should be given and that as the constructor name? Okay. This is the syntax. Write down like this. And rules. Constructor name should be same as a class name. Constructor name should be same as a class name. There is a first rules. Okay. And second rules, constructor will not have any return type and constructor will not have any return value. Okay. And constructor is always non-static. Whenever an object is created, constructor will get invoked. Done? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Written?
Yeah.
Okay. Chinmaya? Hello? Hello? Hello, Chinmaya?
Yes, sir.
Written?
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay. Everyone written, done? Hello?
Sir.
Okay, done?
Yes.
Okay. Then types of constructor. In constructor has been classified into two types. A constructor is classified into two types. One is user-defined constructor, another one is default constructor. In user-defined constructor, further classified into two types. One is parameterized constructor, another one is non-parameterized constructor. Here is the examples of the parameterized constructor. Class name. This is the global variable, right? Int x equals to 10. What is this? This is the global variable. This is the global variable. And sample. Sample. What is the rules of the constructor? The class name should be same as a constructor name. Okay. And class name should be same as a constructor name. And system.out.println. Hey, I am constructor. Just passing, just printing this message. Okay. Then this is the main method, public static void main. Okay. And creating the object. Creating the object means what? The sample, this is the sample, this is the class type, this is the reference variable, right? Everyone understood the reference variable? Discussed on the last class? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Understood the what is the reference variable?
Yes.
Okay. This is the reference variable, this is the new keyword, and sample. This is the constructor. Understood? And what is the object means combinations of operator and constructor is called object, right? So this is the object, and we just call the global variable directly. Okay, this is called as non-parameterized constructor. This is the non-parameterized constructor. There we don't have passed any parameter inside the constructor. Is called as non-parameterized constructor. Understood? This is this part is non-parameterized constructor. Understood, guys? Okay. Then what is parameterized constructor? Parameterized means what? We have to pass the parameter inside the constructor, right? Okay. Then class student. Student is the class name. Int s. S ID means student ID. And string s name. Okay, ID means 1, 2, 3. That's why I've taken the int integer type. And string is the name, right? That's why I have taken the string. String is the variable data type. Okay. Then student int x and int y. Okay. And inside the student s id equals to a student x, then it will store the whatever the value inside. Okay, why we go for parameterized constructor? Why we go for parameterized constructor? Suppose you have built an applications, the student database management system. Student database management system, that every time you should not mention the name of the Sandhya, name of the another whatever, how many student is there, the whole student, you should not mention the name in the variable name, right? You just mention the s id and s name, means student id and student name, and this name, and we just pass the name by the variable int x. Okay, you will understand see, then whatever the value inside the x is the there is the one, we have passed the one inside the inside this constructor, then it will pointing out the first variable, then x is the x is the one, where one will store in the x, and x, then s id equals to x, then whatever the value inside the x, it will store in the s id. Okay. And ram is the name, it will store in the y, then y, then s name equals to y, then whatever the value inside the y, then it will store in the s name. Okay. Then we just call the variable of the global variable s id and s name, then it will print. Understood? समझ में आया आप लोगों को? हेलो?
Sir, you explain once again.
Okay, wait, I'm okay, Chinmay, wait, I'm explain. Are you able to see the my screen?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yeah.
Okay. Suppose int s id. What is the data type? Integer type, right? And this is global variable or local variable? Hello?
Global one. Global one, sir.
Global, right? Okay, the global variable. And if I take the name, then string, right? String s name means student name. Okay. Then what are the rules in the constructor? Class name, constructor name should be same as a class name, right? The sample is the class name. This is the constructor name. Constructor name. Then we just pass an argument or parameter int x, comma, string. string y created on constructor with parameterized, right? Then I'm storing the data inside the SID, means is student ID via through int x through parameterized. I'm I want to store the data into the SID through parameterized. This parameterized, right? This is the parameter I have taken int x and string y, string for name and int for number, right? Okay. Then how to store in the data for the variable? Okay, SID equals to x. So whatever the value is storing in the x variable, then it will store in the SID. Okay. Then s name, then s name equals to y, means whatever the value is storing in the y variable, then it will store in the y s name. Okay. Then main method, creating the object for the sample is the class type. Class type, this is the reference variable. This variable is the class type. Okay. Then equals to new keyword. New is a operator, and combinations of new operator, new and construct operator and constructor is called object. This is the object, right? The one is the student ID. Okay. And ram is the name. Okay. Then just run the program. There is no output because we don't have given any printing statement. We just call the reference variable, we just call the global variable through s1 dot sid and s1 dot sname. You can able to see, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, similar kind of thing for initialization purpose, we can use the setter method. Na? Then in which case we have to go for the setter method, and in which case we have to go for the constructor, sir. Means parameterized constructor.
Which type of
Sir, in using setter method, we also initialize the value for the variable.
setter and getter, right?
Yes, sir.
We will see in encapsulation. There is the bin class, right? Bin class. Then we will see what is the getter and setter. Now you just understood what is the constructor and what it will work. Okay.
See,
Don't
my doubt is that similar kind of things are there, na, in setter method.
No. There is another things, but this is also similar kinds of things. Okay, there are also the parameter is there. Getter setter also is there. That was the encapsulation. So there was the bean class. Okay, we will discuss on that concept. That have patience. Okay, just
Okay.
understood the what is constructor. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So understood the how it will work. See,
Yes.
whatever the value we have passed, it will store in the x variable. then x variable, this is the x variable, right? And equal to operator, it will work the right to left, then it will store in the s id. Okay, then whatever the value after the ram, after the one, then it will store in the y means this is the store in the string, this is the data type, right? And this is the string, the whatever the value we have passed in, including the double quotations, it will assign in the string, right? The string, and then y store in the ram, the ram it will store in the s name, student name. Okay, now why we storing in the data inside the inside the global variable. Okay, why we storing the data inside the global variable. Okay, and it will store in the in this variable, this one and this one is here. Okay. Okay, when we'll see the advanced concept, that one time we will create on the variable in the global, then it will call again and again and again and again. Then this is the advantage of this global variable. We will see when we will teach the advanced concept like JDBC or Hibernate or Spring Boot or Spring concept, then you will understand why we go for like this concept constructor. Understood? Understood, guys? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Till now, understood?
Yes.
Uh, what is uh, what is parameterized constructor? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Write down the examples of the parameterized constructor, and write down the examples of the non-parameterized constructor. This is the non-parameter constructor. This is the parameter constructor. Just write down. ये yes. आप जस्ट सबका नाम एडिट करो.
Yes, sir. Yes,
आप
sir.
जस्ट सबका नाम को एडिट करो, फुल फॉर्म लिखो यार. ये यस क्या होता है?
Okay, sir.
ओके, तो आपको आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
अगर आपका कोई क्वेरी है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं.
Okay, sir.
ओके. Done, everyone? Hello? Hello, everyone, done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Okay, make the heading this keyword. Make the heading this keyword. Done? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This keyword is used to pointing out the current object. This keyword is used to pointing out the current object. Okay, to differential between local variable and global variable. If the variable name are same, if the variable name are same, and this keyword is always non-static. Done? This keyword is used to point out the current object to differential between local variable and global variable if the variable name are same, and this keyword is always non-static. Write down. Done, everyone? Hello? Hello? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone done? Everyone done? Hello? Only one person is there in the meetings, right? Only Sandhya. Others persons is sleeping.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir, done, sir, done.
Okay. See, this keyword. अच्छा, हम this keyword क्यों यूज करते हैं? सपोज एक क्लास में क्या है, एक नाम का 4 बच्चे हैं, सेम नाम का। तो अगर हम किसी बच्चे का नाम पुकारे तो क्या करेगा, हम जिसको जिसका नाम डाके एक ही का नाम राम है, सिर्फ राम है, तो राम को अगर देखो एक ग्लोबल में भी है एंड लोकल में भी है, तो ये क्या करेगा, ये दिस कीवर्ड क्या करेगा, ये पॉइंटिंग आउट करेगा वो जो करेंट ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको उसको पॉइंटिंग आउट करेगा। राम जो है, जो पहले राम जो अब इंस्टेंट जो राम को कॉल किया है वही राम को एक कॉल करेगा, करेंट ऑब्जेक्ट को, प्रीवियस ऑब्जेक्ट को एक कॉल नहीं करेगा। ठीक है, यहाँ पे मान लो यहाँ पे दो और एक राम है, यहाँ पे भी और एक राम है, तो यहाँ पे 3 राम है, बट जब राम को कॉल करेगा तो एक क्या करेगा, ए पॉइंटिंग आउट करेगा एक करेंट ऑब्जेक्ट को, ठीक है। करेंट ऑब्जेक्ट को पॉइंटिंग आउट, अगर नेम इज सेम, मतलब देखो स्टूडेंट आईडी, स्टूडेंट नेम, okay, we are not passing any sorry here, we just pass same things, yes id and y, this is the s name, okay. See, s id, s id equals to s id and s name equals to s name. क्या आ रहा है, नल आ रहा है ना वैल्यू, क्यों, नल क्यों आ रहा है, हेलो हेलो, बताइए,
Because we
बताओ
did not
बताओ
we
कोई
did not
नल,
assign any value, na.
हाँ
Those are the by default value, na. We did not give any value. That's why it's giving out.
yes, this is the by default value, this is the int for the zero and string for the null, and they don't assign any value, means there is the same variable name, right. This is the student id, this is also student id, we just call this variable, but any value will not assigned in this in this variable, because it will not pointing out this variable, okay. That's why it is giving the value student id, this is the integer. The return type of integer means what, zero, right. The string is the null, that's why it will give the output zero or null, okay. Okay, if I put here this dot, okay, and if I put here this dot, so then it will pointing out the current object. Current object means what, this is the current object, then this whatever the value putting in inside this, then it will store in the sid, and it will storing the inside the is sid variable, then this variable pointing out the current object with the help of this keyword. This is this is this keyword, okay. Now we just run the code. See, came one and run. Understood everyone? This keyword is used to pointing out the current object. This is the current object, okay. This is also current object, and to differential between local and global variable, this is the global variable and this is the local variable. If there is a variable name should be same, अगर वेरिएबल नेम सेम रहेगा तब हम क्या करेंगे, दिस कीवर्ड यूज करेंगे। समझ समझ में आया, समझ में आया। देखो ए आपका ग्लोबल वेरिएबल है और ए आपका लोकल वेरिएबल है। अगर वेरिएबल नेम सेम रहेगा तो पॉइंटिंग तो हम दिस कीवर्ड यूज करेंगे, क्योंकि दिस कीवर्ड इज यूज टू पॉइंटिंग आउट द करेंट ऑब्जेक्ट। समझ में आया। देखो ये भी एक 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 वेरिएबल है एस आई डी, ये भी एक वेरिएबल है एस आई डी, सेम वेरिएबल। तो कौन सा वेरिएबल को कॉल करे तो उसको तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा। तो इसीलिए हम दिस कीवर्ड यूज कर रहे हैं। तो दिस का मतलब क्या है? दिस के मतलब यही, हम इसी को पॉइंट आउट करता है तो या करना चाहते हैं। तो इसका मतलब दिस डॉट दिस वेरिएबल द whatever the value storing the SID, it will store in the SID, this variable, and in this variable it will this keyword it is used to pointing out the current object. Current object means what? This is the current object, right? Dot this dot SID, this is the current object, equals to yeah, equals to SID. This is the another variable, right? And this is the local to the block, and this is the global. Understood, everyone? Hello? Understood?
Yes, sir.
That's why we use this keyword. Everyone understood? Any questions? Any questions? If you have any query, then you can ask. Kunal, Tanis,
Yes, sir.
any question?
No, sir.
Understood? Why you used this keyword?
सर ये जब सेम नाम के ग्लोबल और लोकल वेरिएबल हो जाए तो उनको
हाँ
एक ही में स्टोर करवाते हैं, उसके लिए अपन दिस कीवर्ड यूज करते
हाँ, तो ये क्या करता है? ये पॉइंटिंग आउट करता है क्या है? करंट ऑब्जेक्ट को। समझ में आया? देखो सेम नेम है। यहाँ पे मान लीजिए ये क्या है? दो ही वेरिएबल है। अगर ये कही जाए पे 100 वेरिएबल है सेम नेम का, तब क्या करोगे? तब तो नहीं होगा ना। तब आप जब जिसको आप यूज करना चाहते हैं वहां पे आप क्या करोगे? दिस कीवर्ड यूज करोगे। समझ में आया? दिस कीवर्ड मीन्स हमको यही चाहिए, हमको इसी इसी वेरिएबल का डेटा चाहिए। समझ में आया? हेलो, सबको समझ में आया? कोई डाउट आपके? तनिष, हेलो।
Sir, so, suppose we create another one object,
Hmm.
then those value will be assigned to those local variable. No?
Another one object means where?
We
Here.
create one object sample S1.
Yes.
Let's create another one object sample S2
Okay. S2,
and
right?
pass parameter two or some name. Then if we try to print those values, then what will it print? One RAM or two, whatever the name is.
Okay. Wait. New sample, right? Hmm. Two and another name,
Yes.
Sam, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you just call S2. No. S2 dot SID. Okay. S2 dot S name. यही बोलना चाहते हो ना आप?
Yes, sir.
ओके, आ गया?
Yeah, got it, sir.
यस। देखो ये टू क्यों आया? टू आपका क्या हो गया? आप यहाँ पे बाद में कॉल कर सकते हो। आया? स्टूडेंट आईडी इज 1 and name Ram. Student ID is 2 and name Ram. Then you can pass also the like this. Student ID is and concatenation. Then student name is here also. Okay. See, see, student ID is 1 and student name is Ram, and student ID is 2 and student name is Sam. Understood? Understood everyone?
Yes.
Okay. You can create thousands of the object, and you can assign the value. Okay, no issue.
सर इससे
Understood everyone?
मेमोरी पे अफेक्ट
Hmm?
सर इससे मेमोरी पे अफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि अपन इतने सारे ऑब्जेक्ट बना रहे हो
हाँ,
बनाएंगे तो जैसे 1000 तो इससे मेमोरी
देखो,
पे अफेक्ट पड़ेगा या नहीं?
ऑब्वियसली मेमोरी का असर पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आप क्या कर रहे हो, बार बार ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट कर रहे हो, डेटाबेस में स्टोर कर रहे हो ना, तो आपको इतना बार जरूरी नहीं पड़ेगा, आप चेक कर रहे हो इसलिए आप इतने बार क्रिएट कर रहे हो। आप जब प्रोग्राम करोगे ना, जब एडवांस प्रोग्राम करोगे तब इतना जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा। ठीक है। आप जितने बार ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करोगे, न्यू कीवर्ड क्या करेगा, आपका मेमोरी स्पेस क्रिएट करेगा, किसमें, हीप मेमोरी में। हीप मेमोरी में आपका आपका मेमोरी स्पेस क्रिएट करेगा, जितने बार रैंडम मेमोरी स्पेस क्रिएट करेगा। ओके। आपने आपने यहाँ पे दो बार ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करेगा, तो S1 के लिए एक एक मेमोरी स्पेस क्रिएट करेगा, और S2 के लिए एक एक मेमोरी स्पेस क्रिएट करेगा। ठीक है। तो आप जितने बार ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करोगे उतने बार आपका क्या करेगा, मेमोरी स्पेस क्रिएट होगा हीप मेमोरी में। तो आप बताओ, देखो, इसमें प्रोजेक्ट में काम कैसे होगा, आपका इसी वेरिएबल के थ्रू बार बार आप डेटा इंसर्ट कर सकते हो। जब आपका फ्रंट एंड डेटा इस वन, यहाँ पे वन है ना, तो यहाँ पे आप उसका उसका फ्रंट एंड का जो लिंक रहेगा, इसमें एक बार डेटा इंसर्ट करने के बाद स्टोर हो जाएगा किसमें, डेटाबेस में। फिर आप इंसर्ट कर सकते हो, आपको बार बार ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा। समझ में आया?
यस सर।
ओके। और कोई क्वेश्चन? हेलो संध्या, आपको समझ में आया? आर यू अंडरस्टूड?
I understood.
कुणाल, कुणाल,
Understood.
ओके ओके। और ये यस, अभी तक इसमें नाम इसको नहीं, अच्छा अच्छा, आपका नाम क्या है बताओ, इसको हम रीनेम करेंगे। यस, हेलो,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Orko. Orko.
और को,
Yes. Yes, sir.
ए
Orko.
आर के ओ, और को,
Yes. Yes, sir.
ओके, और को,
Yes, sir. Yes.
यू अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके, राइट डाउन द एग्जांपल्स। Done, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir. Done.
Everyone done? Hello, everyone done? Written? Sandhya? Hello? Sandhya, I was given an assignment. You have written?
Assignment.
Huh?
Assignment, sir.
In last class.
Last class I have not attended.
You don't know assignment? Okay. The today I will give the assignment. Done, everyone? Hello? Okay. Okay. Make the heading composition. Composition. Done? A class is having an object of another class is called as composition. A class is having an object of another class is called as composition. Okay? A class, this is the class A and this is the class B. And this B class object of class A. Okay? This is the class A and creating the object in class B is called as composition. It means a class is having an object of another class is called as compositions. Okay, see the example. Why? This is the method and this is the operation, some operation performing. This is the class A. I am creating the object in class B. Okay, this is nothing but composition, and we just call with the help of this object the class, right?
This one is the has a relationship, no? Hello, sir.
Okay. This is the has a relationship. It will represent. It will represent. It will represent has a relationship. It will represent has a relationship. Okay. A class is having an object to another class is called as composition. Done, everyone? Write down this example. And make like this class diagram. Class diagram. This is class A Okay. This is class A and this is class B. This is class B and it will represent has a relationship. Has a relation. This is the diamond shape, right? It will represent has a relationship. Okay. And here is the main object. Make like this. This is the class diagram. Then after that, make like this and written here. This is the has a relationship. Has a relationship. Has a relationship. After that, write the definitions. This is the class diagram. Class diagram is a pictorial representation to represent the member of the class. Class diagram is a pictorial representation to represent the member of the class. Okay? Done, everyone? Hello? Write down. Class diagram is a pictorial representation. Pictorial representation to represent the member of the class. Class diagram is a pictorial representation to represent the member of the class. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, give the attendance. I have shared on the Google attendance link. Guys, give the attendance. Okay, done everyone? Okay. Okay, make the heading blocks. Blocks. Okay. Blocks I will teach later. Okay. Just make the heading pass by value. Block I will teach. Make the heading pass by value. Done everyone? Pass by value. Write the definition: calling or invoking the method by passing the primitive data type. Or primitive type of data. Primitive type of data is called as pass by value. Done everyone? Calling or invoking the method, calling or invoking the method by passing primitive type of data is called as pass by value. Done everyone? Hello? Hello?
Sir,
Okay. Calling or invoking the method by passing the primitive type of data is called as pass by value. This is the main method, right? So we know the static void add. This is the method, right? So pass the primitive type of data. This is the add a1 int a and int b. This is the method. Okay. We just create like this. Okay. Just create one method, static method, void add and int a and int b. Just wait. Hello? अच्छा একটু পর okay, this is the method and we, we just want to perform the operations int sum equals to a plus b, okay, and sys out sum. Till now understood everyone? Hello? Till now understood? This is on method, right? This is the static method. This is the static method, and we just call in the main method. How to call? Main method starting executing from. Now JVM will starting executing from the main method, right? Main method. Okay, and we just call this add method because this is the 5, 10. We just pass the value 5, 10 and end of the main method. Okay, run the program. See 15, right? So calling or invoking the method by passing, calling or invoking the method. This is the method we just call the method by passing primitive data type. Int is the primitive data type, right? By passing the primitive data type is called as pass by hello. Okay, then see, this is the JVM memory, right? JVM memory, there are 4 parts. One is stack, this is the stack, okay, and this is the heap memory, and this is the static pool area, okay, static pool area, and this is the method area. Okay, then whatever the is then class loader will load at first while the static member in one shot in static pool area. This is the static method, right? This is static method. It will store in the static pool area. Okay, after that this is also static method. Okay, then it will also store in the static pool area. Hello. Okay, then it will store in the static pool area. After that, the whatever the method body, this is method body, right? This is method body, it will store in the method area, and this is also method body. This is this method body will store in the method area. Okay, like this, and then it will move to the stack, and this is also moved to the stack. Then execute the program from the stack. Stack is the responsible to give the take the responsibility to execute the program. Then JVM starting executing from JVM comes to the pictures. JVM is starting executing from the main method. It will find at first the main method. Are you present or not? It will check. Yes, main method is there. Then see, JVM starting from the main method. Okay, then JVM will check the main method. Where is main method? There, here is main method. Then it will check. Okay, main method is there. After that, it comes to the next line. There is the system.out.println. There is the main method start executing. Main method start from here. Then comes to the next line. In next line, there is a one method called add method, and we just pass the value 5 or 10 because we have taken only 2 variable, int a and int b. Then we just pass the parameter, we just pass the value through the parameters. Then it is the taken one more variable called sum. then it will store in the 5 is stored in the A and 10 is stored in the B. Then sum equals to A plus B means what? 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 it will store in the sum and just print the sum value. Okay. So what is the definition of the pass by value? Calling or invoking the method by passing the primitive type of data. Calling or invoking. Call, you just call the method, add method. Here just call. We can call directly means what? This is the static method, that's why we just call directly. Okay, if there is a not static method is there is a static variable. If there is not present in the static variable here, then we need to create an object for this class. Okay, understood everyone? Then calling or invoking the method by passing the primitive type of data is called as pass by value. Understood everyone? Hello? Hello everyone, any query? Sandhya, understood?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood? Understood everyone? If you have
Yes.
any query, you can ask. Arko, understood? Hello? Arko, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. Write down the examples. Hello, done? Hello? सब अनम्यूट करो, म्यूट कोई नहीं करेगा. हेलो?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
सब अनम्यूट करके रखो. म्यूट म्यूट कोई नहीं करेगा. जिसका बैकग्राउंड आवाज आ रहा है वो सिर्फ म्यूट करे, बाकी कोई म्यूट नहीं करेगा. डन एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
ओके. Okay, make the headings method overloading. Method overloading. Developing a multiple method with the same name. Developing a multiple method with the same name, but variation of the argument list is called as method overloading. Understood? Write down at first. Write down the definitions. Nowadays. Developing a multiple method with the same name but variation of the argument list is called as method overloading. What do you mean by variation of the argument list? One is variation of data types, variation of the length of the argument, and variation of the order of occurrence. Okay, and rules. Method overloading, there is a rules. Method name should be same. Okay, there should be argument list. There is a no restriction, access specifier, modifier, and return type. It can be both static and non-static. We can overload the main method. This is the main, right? Not min. This is the main. Write down. At first, write down. Done, everyone? Hello? Everyone done? Everyone written? Hello?
Sir.
Arko,
Yes, sir. I've written.
I just asked you, you're done or not, so you just tell, na?
Sir.
I asked you, you're done or not, so you have to tell yes or no.
Sir, I cannot. I cannot understand, sir.
हम जब पूछ रहे हैं जो आपका हुआ कि नहीं है, तो आपको
Yes,
बोलना
sir.
चाहिए
Yes,
था
sir.
ना। तो
Yes, sir.
हम कब से पूछ रहे थे।
Yes, sir.
अगर देखो जो जो रेस्पॉन्स नहीं करेगा हम उसको रिमूव कर देंगे। हम फाइनल वार्निंग दे रहे हैं आप लोगों को। हम पूछेंगे, अगर जो रेस्पॉन्स नहीं देगा तो हम उसको रिमूव कर फाइनली बोल रहे हैं।
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ओके, okay. What is the definitions of the method overloading? Developing a multiple method with the same name but variations of the argument list is called as method overloading, right? Okay, then make the method static okay. Suppose, see, the WhatsApp is there, right? We just send the message from end to end. Okay, this is one WhatsApp and this is another WhatsApp, right? We're just sending the message through WhatsApp. Okay, then we can't see the how to send the message in between. This is the bridge of this both of the WhatsApp. Okay, we just typing the message hi, then it will sending the message here itself the hi. Okay, if I sending the message hello, then it will display, then here is the hello. Okay, if I sending the 9 or number or numeric value, then it will sending the here 9 or numeric value. Okay, then this is the variation of the argument list. Okay, this is the one type of argument, this is the another type of argument. This is the if I sending, this is the character, right? And if I sending the int, this is the integer type, and this is the this is the integer type, this is the string type. Okay, we just sending the message. Okay, like this is the real time of real time example of this, the WhatsApp messenger sending the message to one person to another persons. This is the real time example of method overloading. मतलब यह एक same method name but variation of the argument list. Same method name means what? This is the WhatsApp, the send हम क्या करते हैं, मैसेज सेंड करते हैं ना, तो सेंड इज द मेथड नेम बट वेरिएशन ऑफ द आर्गुमेंट लिस्ट मीन व्हाट? हम कुछ भी सेंड करते हैं, कभी इमोजी सेंड करते हैं, कभी फाइल सेंड करते हैं, कभी मैसेज सेंड करते हैं, कभी नंबर सेंड करते हैं, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज वेरिएशन ऑफ द आर्गुमेंट लिस्ट. Okay, and method name should be same. And overload means what? This is the one method but overload multiple times. Okay, this is called as method overloading. Developing a multiple method with the same name means what? See, this is one method. Okay, this is send is the method. Okay, this is one method. We just pass the value hi. Okay, hi, and this is another method. We just pass the value hello. Okay, hello 1 2 3. Okay, then this is the another method. This is the another method, 1 2 uh, 1 2 3 hello. Okay, we just send here another method. This is the send method, right? In WhatsApp, this is the WhatsApp, right? This is the WhatsApp. You just write the chat. After that, they are just showing. Uh, this is the interface like this. We just this is the writing space. This is the text area. After this, there is the option is the send, right? This is the method called is send. This is the method, but we just sending the message. We just send here also an option for the emoji. We can send also emoji, and here also option called one more option, the send the contact number also. We can send also PDF. We can send also doc file. We can send everything. So one method is the method called send, but we can send variation of the data type, various type of data. Okay, this is the overload this method. We can send multiple type of data. It means developing a multiple method with the same name but variation of the argument list. Variation of the argument list mean what? Here I am sending string, means hi, hello, this is the string type. If I sending one or two or something, this is the integer type, right? If I sending the emoji, this is the another type. If I sending the file, this is the another type. This is the if I sending the PDF, this is another type, right? The one method called sending but variation of the argument list. Okay, one method sending, developing a multiple method. It means it will created one method for this, one method for this, one method for this, one method for this with the same name. Same name means this is the method name is send. Send is the method, okay, and creating the multiple time with the same name but variation of the argument list. Variation means this is the one type of data, 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 is called as method overloading. Understood, everyone? Everyone understood? Hello? अगर अगर आप लोग मैसेज सेंड एक व्हाट्सएप में आप लोग क्या क्या कर सकते हो बताओ? कॉल कर सकते हो? नहीं ऐसे अगर मैसेज की बात कर रहे हैं, जो क्या कर सकते हैं, फाइल क्या आप क्या क्या सेंड कर सकते हो बताओ? अर्को बताओ, अब क्या क्या कर सकते हो इन व्हाट्सएप में?
Yes, sir.
क्या क्या कर सकते हो बताओ?
Sir, we can send.
आप लोग व्हाट्सएप यूज नहीं करते? चिन्मय, चिन्मया, हेलो, चिन्मया, ओके, ओनली मैसेज. No, I'm asking about only send button. With that with the send button, the what are the options we can perform? What type of data we can send? Okay, we can send also money. We can send also message. We can send also PDF file, doc file, anything, right? So this is called as method overloading. With the send is the method, with the one method created, but developing a multiple method. In the send is the method, we have developing a multiple send method. One is for text, another one is for send money, another is for send PDF, another is for send contact number, another is for same document types. Okay, understood everyone? Till now understood? Hello, everyone, understood? Okay, let's see the yes. So see, send is the method name. Okay, int x wait, send is the method name and pass the value hi. Okay, creating the another method static void send int x and string y. And send hello. Okay, and create another method static void send string y and int x by. Okay, creating the main method. Just how to call the method if the static method is there. How to call? How to call? Hello, how to call? Can anyone can say? Hello, guys, how to call the method? This is the static method, right? So why class name? Why class name? Okay, unmute yourself and tell how to call. How to call? Kunal, Sandhya. Tell how to call. Tanesh,
Yes, sir.
I will not take class in the next class. So who will take? I don't know. But no one
Sir, ये
will responding if I only tell. This is not fair, right? I ask you the many time. If you don't know, you can tell that I don't know. But simply sitting and listening, this is not fair, right? Okay.
सर ये मेथड का नाम लिखेंगे और फिर
तो,
इसके वेरिएबल में जो पैरामीटर है उसकी जो अपने को पास करना है इंटीजर में वैल्यू वो पास करते हैं।
तो भाई हम कितने कितने टाइम से पूछ रहे हैं, तो आप बोल क्यों नहीं रहे? बात क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
तो आपने दूसरों का नाम लिया तो मुझे लगा इसलिए मैं नहीं बोला।
तो हम तो पूछ रहे थे, किसको पता है बताइए। हाँ बताओ बताओ कैसे।
सर ये जो फर्स्ट वाली सेंड फिर
यस।
इंटीजर में एक्स है
हम्म। तो
फिर उसमें
इंटीजर वैल्यू
इंटीजर में जो भी पास करना है वो सर।
अच्छा
यस
पास कर दिया, कुछ भी पास कर दिया उसके बाद। और एक
सर इसमें अब दूसरी मेथड कॉल होगी इसमें इंटीजर एक्स और एक स्ट्रिंग वाई है ना वो लिखने पड़ेंगे दो आर्गुमेंट की वैल्यू पास।
ओके। यहाँ पे फिर से 11 पास कर दिया, और यहाँ पे कुछ भी पास करे, राइट?
सर
तो
स्ट्रिंग में
जस्ट
डबल इन्वर्टेड दिया सर।
स्ट्रिंग में कुछ भी पास करे, राइट? एंड
यस सर।
सेंड मेथड, राइट? अब बताओ, पहले पहले यहाँ पे पहले स्ट्रिंग पास करना था, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वो जो थर्ड मेथड का पहले स्ट्रिंग लिखा, तो पहले स्ट्रिंग हाई पास किया है, और यहाँ पे कुछ भी वैल्यू पास कर दिया। यही तो है ना?
यस सर।
वी कैन कॉल।
बट सर ये शायद एरर दे सकता है
क्यों?
सर शायद क्योंकि सर एक ही स्टैटिक मेथड है ओवरराइडिंग में सर दो और मतलब मेथड एक ही दो आर्गुमेंट ले रही है ना इसके लिए।
कहाँ एरर दे रहा है?
नहीं सर मुझे लगा ऐसा।
नहीं नहीं, इसमें एरर नहीं देगा। देखो, developing a multiple method with the same name but variation of the argument list. Variation of the argument list mean what? Here is the integer type of argument, and here is the integer and string also, and here is the string and integer. So this is called as variation of the argument list. And developing a multiple method, this is the method name is send, and we just send, this is the high, okay? And there is the one method and another method called is send, and variation of the argument list mean what? There is the another types of argument, okay? And this is also send method, means it means overload this send method, okay? Developing a multiple method with the same name but variation of the argument list is called as method overloading. And there is a rules is there. Rules is there means what? Now what do you mean by variation of the argument list means what? Variation of the data type. There is the on type of data integer, there is the on type of data integer also, string also, okay? And variation of the data type, variation of the argument list. There is the argument list means what? There is the one type of argument, there is the multi type of argument, okay? Understood? There is the rules is there. The method name should be same. Method name should be same means what? Same as send is the method, every method name and the same send method, okay? Okay, there should be argument list. There should be argument list mean what? This is the argument list. This is the argument list. Okay, there is the no restrictions. Access specifier, modifier, and return type. There is any restriction? पब्लिक प्रोटेक्शन, कुछ भी रिस्ट्रिक्शन है? कुछ भी नहीं है। पब्लिक प्राइवेट कुछ भी नहीं है। देयर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन, एक्सेस स्पेसिफायर, मॉडिफायर एंड रिटर्न टाइप। ओके, then it can be static and non-static both. Then it is a static and non-static. Okay guys, it is static or non-static? It is static method or non-static method? Hello, hello.
Static, sir.
Static method. So it can be both. We can overload also non-static method. Okay, you just write down this method, and we can overload the main method. Then we will see how to overload the main methods. Okay, you just write down. Then after that we will see how to overload non-static method. Write down.
सर ये जैसे थर्ड वाली चेन मेथड है वहां पर इंटीजर एक्स और कोमा स्ट्रिंग वाई रहता तो एरर आती सर?
इंटीजर x यहाँ पे?
कोमा स्ट्रिंग वाई रहता, हाँ सर,
नहीं
ये
नहीं
मतलब
नहीं नहीं, ये एरर नहीं आएगा। देखो आपको समझाने के लिए दिया है, जो आप कुछ भी दे। देखो आप अगर कुछ नंबर सेंड कर रहे हो, तो पहले नंबर दिया है 90, फिर हेलो हेलो सेंड किया व्हाट्सएप में, क्या है ना? कर सकते हो।
यस सर।
अगर देखो पहले आप हेलो सेंड करते हो, फिर आप नंबर देते हो एक एक ही इसमें, तो आप कर सकते हो ना। तो ये क्या है, जब पहले आप इंटीजर सेंड
नहीं
किया
सर,
है,
मेरा
फिर
मतलब
फिर
जैसे वॉइस चेन है ना, इसको एज इट इज वैसी कॉपी कर देते।
हाँ क्या क्या?
जैसे सेकंड वाले इंट एक्स है ना, कोमा
हाँ
स्ट्रिंग वाई,
हाँ,
सेम एज इट इज वहां पर भी ऐसा ही लिख दे तो एरर आएगी आएगी कि नहीं आएगी?
नहीं एरर रहेगी। क्योंकि एरर एरर आएगी, यहाँ पे हमको वैल्यू वैल्यू चेंज करना पड़ेगा। ये 5 को यहाँ पे भेजना पड़ेगा, इसको यहाँ पे भेजना पड़ेगा। ठीक है,
यस सर।
चलो प्रैक्टिस करो, आप लोग समझ में आ जाएगा, इजी है। ठीक है, चलो लिखो, राइट डाउन ऑन कॉपी गाइस। कुणाल, class name dot method name, it is not mandatory to give the class name dot method name, because this is the static method, and this is also static. Static is to static we can call directly. Okay, okay Kunal. Okay, okay, done. Hello, done everyone? Hello. Okay. Okay, we will see the in next class how to overload the non-static method also. Then okay. Okay, guys. Bye. Good night. Thank you. Any question? Any query?